Hi everyone! Today, I will show you how to fix a chipped front tooth at home. This do-it-yourself filling kit can fix decayed and molar teeth at the back too, but I will show you that in another video. Your kit will come with A2 enamel shade composite cement, which is the most natural and common tooth filling color available and most likely to suit you best. You will be provided with 2 dental tools, a ball burnisher, and a handyman spatula. These instruments are double-ended and have a small and large head on each end to help you to adapt the filling to your tooth nicely. Place a plastic strip in between the teeth that you are working on to maintain the natural gap between your teeth. Apply some dental bond all over the surface of the tooth where you will be applying the filling, then take a small blob of filling about 2 mm using the spatula tool provided and place it on the tooth. I am using the flat surface of the spatula tool to flatten the filling against the remaining tooth structure and filling in the hole. Bend the plastic strip to help you to shape the sides of the filling. Now, I am placing this plastic strip behind the tooth and holding it on with my finger to help support the filling from the back as I continue to restore the tooth to its original morphology. Set the filling and bond using the UV light cure provided for 45 seconds. Check that the filling is completely set before applying more composite filling. I am smoothing out the surface of the tooth by applying a nice thin layer of filling material all around the tooth. Remove the plastic strip and make some final touches. When done, brush a thin layer of dental bond all around the filling to ensure that it stays firmly bonded, then light cure it for 45 seconds again to set it. This is how your end product should look. You may use some wet sandpaper files to file down any sharp edges and polish the filling. Get ready to show off your new smile. You can get this professional filling kit in the description below on my Etsy shop, and full instructions will come with this kit. Love, Susie.